When ordering a D20 MX, the first question is what kind of a chassis you would need. Is it the vertical or the horizontal? As we discussed, the vertical one has a support for 4 more serial expansion boards, yet the horizontal has a capability of 3 expansion serial ports. That's because of the physical limitation on the chassis itself. And the next thing is you want to decide what firmware you want to order. As we told you earlier, there's 2 types of firmware. There's the SAN001 and the SAN002. One of the great features that is allowed is multi-partition, and this is a decision that would have to be made whether we should split the applications into, or make the applications live in different virtual environments from a software perspective, or all of the applications will be on the main board. If you need that capability, like let's say you have multiple logic that have to run in one environment and another logic that has to run in another environment, if you need that capability, then that's available in your multi-partition, and you would have to order a multi-partition license for it. The last thing is you have to understand the layout of your HDLC network, whether you have redundant, what kind of HDLC support is required, and with the D20 MX has a greater capability than the normal D20 platform. Let's say you already have a D20 and the chassis is compatible with the chassis, power supply, communication card, peripherals are all compatible. Then maybe all you need to order is just an upgrade kit. If that's true, then you need to decide on what kind of D20 main CPU, D20 MX main CPU you need, whether it is Ethernet, fiber, backward support of a fiber connection, and then you have to assess the need for the serial, which of course is 2 parts, is the processor and the expansion card, and which if required, then you will have to add as many serials based on the number of serial ports that's required. And finally, if you need the licenses, again, for the multi-partition, you can order the licenses for the multi-partition if required.